In this section, main points, I want you to read loudly all the main points which is showing on the screen. It will help you to memorize and be easy to access your knowledge while you're driving with your instructor or while you are watching in a driving lessons for this video. Cockpit drill driving lesson. Now I'm going to show you directly one by one. First, start with the car door security. This is responsible for a driver to make sure that all doors are closed before correcting all the seats and the control. And when you open the door, please look for the cyclists and the cars and pedestrians. Seat adjustment. First, you hold your steering wheel and allow you to have a good grip, and then you bring the seat forward with the help of lever. Lift up, it will allow the seat to move forward or backwards with the ease, with a comfortable way. When you're moving a seat forward, so try to move it up to that position which you'll manage to reach your hands up to the steering wheel, and same time your back which will be relaxed, comfortable. When you need to move it back, similar way, you lift up the lever and you can move the seat back in a comfortable way. You're adjusting a back or a rack of your seat with the lever which allow you to spring to move forward and backwards depending on the position on the press by you are moving the lever. While you are lifting up the lever, it will allow you to move forward and backward to correctly adjust it to the correct position which you need to set it for a good comfortable drive. Some cars you can bring your seat up and down, which is a base with the lever. When you lift up, it will bring the seat higher up, and when you push it down, the seat will go down. While you're adjusting your seat, it's good to press the foot brake all the time. All down will allow you to have a good controls which will not affect your joint, which is the elbow and the knee, and should not be stiff to reach your controls all the time. At any point you think that you're not comfortable and your seat is not correctly adjusted, please do not hesitate to do that. Now is your headrest. Headrest should be adjusted between the two knobs and should be between your eye and the ear level, which prevent your neck injury if you have any crash, and please adjust it before you go to the next stage. Now we come to the steering wheel. You should have a good free movement from the top of the steering wheel to the lower part of the steering wheel, because the full control and free movement on your steering wheel allow you to have a comfortable ride, and you have a good access to your positioning while you're turning right. Good positioning is 10 to 2, holding on the top, or you can hold any correct positioning which makes you comfortable, so you can easily use or approach to your controls which is on the left and right. While you are holding the steering wheel, you should have a good movement using a method called a pull and push method, which will have a good turning right or turning left. Same time when you do a pull and push method, you have a good control. Seat belt. This is a responsibility for the driver to wear the seat belt first, and you should have a good click on the seat belt. Once you wear the seat belt, you should not have any twist. If you spotted any twist, clear the twist before you are completed your seat belt. Now you must come towards to mirrors. In the cars we have 3 mirrors. Let's start with the first mirror, which is called interior, back or the rear view mirror. This mirror will show you what is exactly behind you. This is a true image, true distance, a flat mirror. Now you adjust it with your both hands, correct it with your left eye to see what's happening at the back. You should not be moving your head while you're looking at the back. Next we have a side mirror starting at the right. They are convex mirrors or a flat mirror. What you see in them, they are far and smaller and distance. Not true. Some cars we have a blind spot mirrors to give you further. To adjust it, you need to see the back of your car or a back door handle at least in your vision, and same time you correct it before you start the car. Some modern car, it will allow you to control while you're sitting in the car, selecting with the right, moving up and down with the lever, or to select with the left up and down to adjust accordingly. This is the cockpit drill. You must do it before you start the car. Examiner instructions and direction regards to a cockpit drill. After checking your legal document, examiner will ask you to guide you or direct you towards to a car and ask you to sit in a car but do not start the engine. After checking around the car legal requirements, examiner enter the car and adjust it or correct the seat. It will allow the examiner to have a comfort sitting position. It is a hint for you to make sure that your cockpit drill up to the standard. Examiners are very friendly and professional, so be yourself and relax and drive as natural way as you've been before to pass the test. Highway code rules for cockpit drill. Number 97 says that your mirrors and seat are adjusted correctly to ensure comfortable, full control and maximum vision while you drive. Number 99, driver are responsible for seat belt, and the driver must ensure that all children under age of 14 years in a car wear a seat belt, and correct position of the mirrors and easy access to all control. Driving test report explained. Now this is the one of the important section which I like to share with you, which shows you where the examiner will mark you for cockpit drill in precautions. Not so many instructors will share with you to inform you where and how examiner will mark, but I like to prepare my all students like this way. So in precaution, what this mention is, these checks are simple but important. Before you started the engine, you needed to make sure that your seat was adjusted correctly to allow you to reach all the driving controls with ease. This is because an incorrect seat position can affect your ability to take observation and keep proper control of your vehicle. Now you have completed everything regards to a cockpit drill. You are ready to practice with your instructor, and same time you are ready to practice throughout the drive on the basis which you have been shared. If you have any question, feel free to contact and we will be help you further. In the meantime, I wish you all the success and see you in the next video.